You gonna cook dinner, Tessa? Cook dinner, Tessa? All right. Put the cheese on the table. She gets distracted so easily. What are you making, Max?
Stew. Bread. Oh, yummy.
Okay, sit down for dinner. Tessa, bring the other one and we'll have dinner.
That bread looks good.
Tessa, you want to come over and say prayer so we can eat dinner? No? Yes?
Hey, we have to make them. We have to make.
Okay, that's everything, right, Tessa? Okay, can we sit down?
I don't know. We have a chair.
Oh, this looks like quite the feast. Yummy.
I have an entire chicken leg in front of me. Yummy.
So how do, if I wanted to send this to somebody?
Because it is too big.
Yeah, like this. And then you like that. And then it's either email it or you can message it.
Where are you going, Max?
I don't ever do videos. Both on your side and my side.
You gonna eat it, Tessa?
Oh, yum, 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 yum.
Good job.
Tessa, look at this. Oh, are you making mashed potatoes? We're gonna have mashed potatoes tomorrow. Are you gonna have mashed potatoes tomorrow? What else are you gonna have? Chicken or turkey? Oh yeah. Turkeys are bigger, aren't they? You know that big old bird that's been thawing in our fridge? We're gonna cook it. It's Thanksgiving tomorrow. Hi! Are you a happy one? Yeah! How does the chicken want some garlic or
So
onion?
why
That's
don't
what-
their emails
Are you ready for Thanksgiving,
Yeah.
Max? Yeah?
I got some more.